Hi, my name is Maxine Burgess, and today I am doing Activity 10-3, Logging Performance Data. And the description of this exercise is that data collector sets allow you to group counters for easier manageability. If you want to log performance data, it must be done with a data collector set. In this activity, you will create a data collector set and log performance data to disk. So let's get started here. I already have my performance monitor open, and in here in the left pane we see data collector sets, and they're created by the system to perform common maintenance tasks. And in the left pane, click Event Trace Sessions. Okay. And says these are trace providers used by the system to collect performance data. That's trippy. Must be VMware. In the left pane, click User Define. When you create new data collector sets, they are placed in this folder. So I guess it would be this one, User Defined, and there's nothing in there right now. So right click and New Data Collector Set. And for the name of this, we need to type in CPU and disk logging. And click Next. And this data collector set will be created from a template. In the template data collector set box, select each option and read the description. So, basic, used to create a basic collector set, and system diagnostics, local hardware resources, system response times, and processes on the local computer along with system information and config data, and system performance, generate a report detailing the status of the local hardware sources, system response times, etc. Okay, so they want us to click on Basic and click Next. Accept the default root directory and click Next. So system drive, blah blah blah, click Next. Click Open Properties for this data collector set and click Finish. Okay. Okay, now it says on the General tab, read which user the data collector set will run as. Use this template to create a basic data collector set. You can add or remove counters and change the scheduling options later by editing its properties. Membership in the local administrators group or equivalent. More stuff. Okay. It says click the Directory tab. This tab shows you where log files will be stored. And here's the name that we created for it, CPU and disk logging. Click the Stop Condition tab. Okay, and notice by default the data collector set will stop after 1 minute. Okay, it does say this. And click OK. And then in the left pane, expand user defined and click CPU and disk logging. And user defined is already expanded, and click CPU and disk logging. Alright. Right click performance counter and click properties. Notice all processor related counters are selected by default. Oh, and that's all. And click add and expand physical disk. Whoops. Add. And it's still thinking. Okay. Expand physical disk. Okay. And click add and click OK. And click OK. This adds all the counters for the physical disk. Notice that the log format is binary, and click OK. It's binary, and click OK. In the left pane, click user define. Duplicate. Oh. So what? Do I just take one? Okay. And alright, try this again. And then click user defined. Notice CPU and disk logging is stopped, and yes it is. Right click CPU and disk logging and click start. And wait 1 minute for the data collection to complete. Okay, I will pause the recording, and well, perhaps it's well, it's still doing its thing. Alright. Alright, I guess I'll pause the recording for a minute. Okay, that's probably long enough. Let's see, where was I? And then in the left pane, click Performance Monitor, and in the toolbar, click View Log. click the View Log Data button. Oh, there we go. That's really nice. See how it does that? Alright, View Log Data. And, okay, I just did that. Under Data Source, click Log Files and click Add. Double-click the admin folder, double-click CPU and disk logging, and double-click the folder with today's date. Click performance counter. Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Admin, CPU and disk logging, and the only file in there. And open this bad boy. Click time range. Okay, where's that at? Oh, duh. Right there. There's time range. This displays the time range in the log file. You can select just a subset of the time range to view it if you desire. The default setting is to display the entire time range. Click the Data tab to select the counters to display from the log file. Click Remove as required to remove any existing counters. And I don't see anything. And then click the Add button. Expand physical disk. Really? There's no physical disk on here. It just says processor. Oh, duh, here we go. No, it's the only thing. Okay, I guess whatever. Add. Okay, well, yeah, click OK. Notice all the counters are listed under counters. Okay. Click OK to save the settings and display the data on the performance monitor graph. Oh, okay. If necessary, change it to line. It's already in line. Wonder what it looks like. Oops. Oh, I just restarted it. Creepy. Expand physical disk. Notice that you can select any counter in that category because they were all logged. Leave Performance Monitor open for the next activity. And click Cancel to add to the Add Counters window, which I think I already did. Anyway, that completes Activity 10-3, Logging Performance Data. My name is Maxine Burgess, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.